Hi, I'm Rachael Treasure and I'm at Ripple Farm in Southern Tasmania. When we walked onto the property, it had been ploughed into oblivion, the water systems were broken. The soil would clog up with 1/2 mil of rain and you'd end up with platform shoes. The soil was annihilated and it's all black cracking clays. So that was the challenge, to bring that back from the industrial agricultural devastation, which was a huge challenge but so much fun. Yeah. I've watched Tasmania degrading over a very long period of time, and that's what's really driven me to implement this kind of mindset change and set up a natural sequence farming demonstration site in Southern Tasmania so other people would see the magic. Ripple Farm's situated at the end of a larger catchment, so it's basically been drained. It's eroding, we were losing all the water. It's also a fertility drain. So what we've sought to do is to reinstate the original flow of the creek, which is this beautiful curving oxbow, and then filter the runoff through plants so that they purify the water, because if it flooded upstream, the floodplains down here would be covered in other people's manure, which would contain drenches and bringing disease to our stock and soil. The plant systems have been aided by some leaky weirs and stock crossings that Stuart has put in. And then we've repaired the entire top of the property with one beautiful contour that actually starts at one end, finishes at the other, but it curves around a hilltop that was denuded of topsoil. It had all blown out to sea. And now Stuart's put a little island and a tree there, and there's water up there and plants. So we're capturing all the runoff from the road and it is pumping with life. This has been the key driver to that exponential growth in ecology and production and resilience. It's just been really special to see the water course rejuvenating itself. This property was so broken, and all of the grazing knowledge and plant knowledge and animal husbandry knowledge that I had, you could apply it around and around in circles, but we were never going to get anywhere until we repaired the land hydrology. And now that that's happened, you can just absolutely start to see the system fire and also feel the energy of the place. The very first day I walked on this place and looked down a post hole, there was a frog, a green and gold bell frog, in that post hole. So I picked him up and I went, "You're a sign, I'm meant to be here." So now when I rock up here with my dogs, they're just so happy to be here. Yeah, there's water to play in for me and the dogs now. Talon Park training will put you on a totally different, not even a road, a totally different water course, and it'll take you down to this stream of potential abundance. And then the key is getting water to marry up with the plants for everything to feel better. Like, you absolutely feel so much better. So if you are looking after land, this is your next step.